Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to point out to you in this video, alright? First things first. I'm going to present a piece of a video to you that have been posted on social media. And I want you to look at this piece of video and tell me if a person who you can see in this piece of video is a thief or not. Because the video shows when a person took clothes and something that some people might call a dummy or a mannequin. Even though in my point of view, the mannequin was not really a full mannequin. See? Now, because of how the person was behaving in the entire video, viewers and subscribers, I wondered about that person's mental health. You see me? In a part of the entire video, the person passed in front of a place more than one time, viewers and subscribers, before the person took the clothes and the thing that some people might call a dummy or a mannequin. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe. I want to tell me what to think about this video. Observe. Alright, my people, take a good look now. See? That's right out in the public right there, my people. See? This is not the first time the person has passed that place. Look there. See that? See? Just keep looking. Your source is up. Just look again. Watch this. Look right here, so now. Watch it. Swagwan. You see that? Now, some Jamaicans might call that person's behavior in that video red eye. Yes, red eye, my people. See? And a real. But for real, I wonder about that person's mental health. You know what I mean? I tell my people. So, based on what you saw in that piece of video, I would like you to tell me if you think that person is a thief or not. Alright? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Next topic. Now, I'm going to present a piece of a video that shows when two persons somewhat worked together in order to take something that was at a premises. Now, I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. But viewers and subscribers, I want you to look at the video and tell me if you believe those persons was acting suspicious. You can also tell me if you think they are thieves or if you think they are not thieves as well, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, observe the people. So, more you notice, oh, one of those persons at the gate and look out, you know, out of the premises, from the outer part of the premises, you know. How that look to them, people? And I real, my people, in my point of view, if police was passing by and saw those two persons or get some form of understanding or information about those two persons at that premises, maybe police would want to question them or maybe police would stop. You know, maybe things would have turned out in a way where me and you might not even know. Because their behavior look really suspicious in my point of view, and that situation look away right there. It just really look away. You know, the way all one person look through the gate and then certain things they over them head, you know, somewhat cover the face and all them things. They just really and truly look away, my people. You know, but that's just my point of view. You can let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to the next topic. Now today's Sunday, viewers and subscribers, and I didn't intend to talk about a whole lot of violence in this video, but I want to talk to you about this thing that some Jamaicans call badness. Yes, badness. Now if you're not a Jamaican and if you don't have any understanding as to what some Jamaicans call badness, let me explain a little. Some Jamaicans identify badness as when a person acts as if he or she is more dominant or more violent than one or more than one persons. Some Jamaicans might say he or she act like them bad than everybody. You understand me? And I also got the understanding that some persons do not know the difference between badness and self-defense. In my point of view, badness is not a good thing, and I would not recommend anyone to behave in such a way. And in my point of view, self-defense is a different thing, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, for you to get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, I'm going to present two pieces of videos to you. The first video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened during some type of confrontation. The video is going to show one person holding an object, and the video is going to show one person holding more than one object, viewers and subscribers, and it seems as if that person wanted to attack or hit someone who you can see in the video. I want you to look at the video and tell me who you think was doing this thing that some Jamaicans call badness, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. So me talk about Now, what if those two persons did have the same intention, viewers and subscribers? Would that situation end well? I don't think so. Anyways, I'm going to present the next video to you. Now, the next video is going to show some things that happened during some form of confrontation. The video is going to show one person behaving somewhat aggressive towards another person, and the video shows one person holding on to a part of someone's clothes, viewers and subscribers, and basically yelling at the person. But people, when you look at this video and tell me who you can see in this video doing this thing that some Jamaicans call badness. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Now, for those who are not Jamaicans and might not have a good understanding about this whole thing that is known as badness, when someone acts like a bully, that also falls in the badness category too, you know, people. Yeah, man, that also falls in the badness category. Overall, badness is not a good thing. No, I do not support anyone who behave in such way. None at all. See what I say? Yeah, and don't mix up badness with self-defense. In my point of view, self-defense are totally different thing. See? Alright, so leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall Skilla. 10.